Hi, this is Chuck Lemire from Bob Corcoran and Associates, and I'm here with another iHome Finder tip of the week. This week we're going to focus on for sale by owners. That owner that attempts to sell their home themselves, and we as real estate professionals would love to be able to help. So how do we attract these owners? How do we use our technologies with iHome Finder to help? And what are 5 different ways of approach? I'll cover that quickly for you today. First of all, many people think approaching a for sale by owner is certainly about approaching them for their listing. However, we've found that approaching a for sale by owner with other means of value might be a better approach in today's marketplace. For example, if you think about the homeowner that sells their home themselves, where are they going? They're either going to buy locally or they're moving out of the area. So approaching that for sale by owner with script that says, Mr. Owner, I'm not calling to list your home. Certainly I would be able to do that, but I'm calling specifically to see if you're moving locally or out of the area, because I am a buyer specialist and would love to be able to serve you on the buy side of your next transaction. And in doing so, maybe I can help you. Could I come over tomorrow between 2 or 4 and be able to just take a look at your house so that if any of the people in our buyer pool are interested in your type of home, we could bring them by. So approaching the for sale by owner to ask them about where their next purchase is the first thing that we can do as professionals. Secondly, we could help them with their marketing. Create a flyer for them. Very often homeowners don't have access to the type of companies that we have to put together professional promotional material. Put it together so that they can have it in the house when some people as buyers call them. Third thing we could do is hold an open house for them. Mr. Owner, I'd love to be able to host an open house. I'll advertise it and promote it. I'll call people in the neighborhood because 13% of the time, the buyer for the home knows someone in the neighborhood. So we take the time as real estate professionals to contact 100 people around your home to invite them to the open house. Of course, if we find a buyer, you can have that buyer directly. And of course, if there are other buyers, I'd like to serve them in their home search needs. So in this way, you help the homeowner attract more people, potentially a buyer, but you also have more lead generation and have more leads to go into Max and your iHome Finder systems to follow up with. The fourth thing is to be able to provide professional photography. Very often, for sale by owners take pictures with their cell phone. And just an enhancement of the photography or some graphic talent with the photographs and some virtual staging might help them tremendously with their listing. And finally, stay in touch. That's what our systems are built for. So use Max to be able to follow up on a consistent basis with things that are relevant and things that are valuable to them, like an updated CMA on their home, to be able to show them what other homes have sold if they haven't, and what other homes have come on the market that might be their competition. So there's a variety of ways to approach a for sale by owner and provide value, and our technologies can help you continually follow up. Hope you've enjoyed this week's tip of the week. And remember, as a real estate professional, we help people with one of the most important decisions they make, where they call home. Be proud and have a great week. Thanks.